But what really got me in this debate today was the contributions from the Healy Raes, both of them. And I'm absolutely disgusted because it hit me personally. Usually what they say is water off a duck's back to most of us, to all of us in this House. But they mentioned they had to go to the Labour Party this, relevance, that. But they said that we didn't understand working people, and said we didn't understand a carpenter coming to the House to have to fix a job. Well, I'm the son of a carpenter. I'm not the son of Fianna Fáil privilege and millions of euro. I remember as a kid in the 80s having to take any work going, hang indoors and fingless just to put a roof over our head and food on the table. I remember that. I spent my teenage years working on sites, filling skips. Did they? Or did they drive in their Mercedes into their big plant hire shops, walking past all their machineries worth hundreds of thousands to count all their money? Or to count up all their property? You had your chance. You had your chance. Sit down, Deputy Chair. I did not come in. I did not come in.
Deputy Smith has the floor. Please let him conclude.
I have the floor. So I'm not going to be lectured on understanding workers. I don't have to put on a political costume and a caricature to pretend I'm working class like some. They do. Right? This is a pro-worker motion. If they read it, if they understood, if they took 1 second to remove themselves from their own regressive politics to see that this position is about a strong public health response to get people back to work and to stay in work, to get schools open and for them to stay open. That's what this is about. And that's where the opposition is at. And I don't think the government are too far away either. But we need to meet in the middle and we need to get this through. We need to keep this virus down. That's how things will get open. So the next time we have a motion or anything, I'll happily sit down or have a Zoom call and explain to them what it stands for, because they never read it. They're pursuing a narrow, regressive, conservative agenda all the time. It lets down the people of Kerry who they profess to represent, and it lets down working people. This is a pro-workers motion. Everything we put through is pro-workers, and we will work together, and we will admit when we're wrong, and we will move forward.